I'm here again. Man, Lonesome, what you talk about, man? Lyrics mean everything to you, know, lyrically inclined. Yeah, man, I play you and dub your name, go fuck yourself. But we just vice it 4x4 Exedus, and we are, yeah, 4x4 Exedus. Yeah, so you know, I play it as I make, you know, yeah, lyrical content for them. We don't even a bag of, them just want to make some nice, want to listen what we are saying. I'm chatting a lot of metaphors. Lyrically inclined. Now repeat yourself. Hear that tune, yeah? Show you how bad it is.
Yeah, it is 4x4 Exedus. Baddest son on this fucking planet. Show that this thing no boy can't stand it. Hear this? Lava prayer. DJ 20. DJ Babyface. Give me jokes. Tell them about 4x4 Exedus. No long talking. I come to kill boy. Hey, boy, I want to talk boy. No bad, so you know. Bad boy. No boy, no bad, so hear this. Never when you can incline. So we get paralyzed, kill and destroy you. Bad like me. 4x4. So we got champion to show you this. Now, we know what this never want I. One like you, we kid, you know have no strife. You never yet. You the biggest shoot a bird in your life. Get 4x4 cross that now go nice, yeah? Next thing we notice a play. You a call up in him to your power with 2 son boy. Make me tell you one thing straight. If you think I know, fussy one they get in immediate. What the fuck is that? You hear that fussy one. Right now we clean your skin and your flesh off your bone. What the fuck is that? Give me face, honest and cool. Summer rain and they look like a bandit with roll. What the fuck is that? Don't get jumped next year. Go on the middle and beat you past your chest. What the fuck is that? No it's no and look what you get. In their face and we make a suicide after my dead. We know what this never want I. One like you, we can you know that not right. We never yet who's a big issue to burn in your life. It gets 4x4 cross that now go nice, yeah. Next thing we notice a play. You a call up with him to your bar with 2 be a 40 boy. Let me tell you one thing straight. If you think I know, pass you when you get nice. When you try in a kangaroo coat, sit your neck and draw your tongue to your throat. Now you can creep and creep rope up a big bone. The fire make you turn the and roast. We will put you in a column. You squeak like cement and say calm you down. Put your head raised in a drum. Full of black acid and watch your head down. We know what this never want I. One like the wicked and the have no strike. They never you. You shall be a shoot a bird in a them like them get Exedus grass. It now go nice, yeah. And next thing we notice the play. You a call up in your tree up with 2 be a 30 boy. Let me tell you one thing straight. If me figure know, pass it when you get. Come and talk about tongue. Get your argument right, but we are worried. We don't deal with fist to fist fight. When we want to make a beat, but box you in fight. Southboard puppy and expose a tribe. Put a nothing on your face and squeeze the trigger side. With the head in a 2. What a beautiful sight. Never watch your blood that run just like a standpipe. When you drop, kick, jump, oh, we stop pictures. Yo, something.
When we talk about lyrics, lyrical content movement, and man, just come and chat some little foolishness. We're done with that. We are to kill soul, you kill soul. Nuclear, and done. See? We're lyrically inclined, man. I'm not joke where I make, man. Fully armed and dangerous, like my album, you know? Fully, see it? Like that. Fully armed and dangerous, me out. I'm here. Up.